Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What medical term is often caused by abnormally high fluid pressure in the eye? Is it A. Cataracts, B. Astigmatism, C. Glaucoma, or D. Myopia? The answer is C. Glaucoma.
Glaucoma, often dubbed the silent thief of sight, can sneak up on individuals without any warning signs. This eye condition has been a concern since ancient times, with Hippocrates himself describing its symptoms. Today, it's a leading cause of blindness worldwide, emphasizing the importance of regular eye checkups.
Question 2. What is the name of the soil that is always frozen and helps to define the boundary of the Arctic? Is it A. Ice rock, B. Permafrost, C. Evercold, or D. Cool ground? The answer is B. Permafrost.
Permafrost, the perpetually frozen soil found in polar regions, can be thousands of years old and holds ancient secrets. It acts as a natural freezer, preserving prehistoric plants and animals. As climate change causes it to thaw, scientists are discovering well-preserved mammoths and even viable seeds from the Ice Age.
Question 3. What would you call a baby eagle? Is it A. An eyas, B. A calf, C. A lamb, or D. An eaglet? The answer is D. An eaglet.
An eaglet, the adorable name for a baby eagle, spends its first 10 to 12 weeks in the nest under the watchful eyes of its parents. During this time, it grows rapidly and learns essential survival skills. By fledgling age, these fluffy chicks transform into majestic young raptors ready to soar.
Question 4. What is the name of a shape with 3 sides? Is it A. Triangle, B. Parallelogram, C. Square, or D. Trapezoid? The answer is A. Triangle.
The triangle is the simplest polygon, yet it holds a world of intrigue. In ancient Egypt, the Great Pyramid of Giza was designed using triangular geometry to align with cardinal points. Triangles are also crucial in trigonometry and engineering, forming the backbone of structures due to their inherent stability and strength.
Question 5. What is somatology the study of? Is it A. The study and psychology of organisms with regard to their functions and structures, B. The eyes, C. Wood, or D. Study of human characteristics? The answer is D. Study of human characteristics.
Somatology delves into the fascinating world of human characteristics, exploring everything from body composition to physical traits. This field can reveal insights about our evolutionary history and how environmental factors shape us. By understanding somatology, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and adaptability of the human form across different cultures and eras.
Question 6. What is the word for a young bird? Is it A. An owlet, B. A bunny, C. A poult, or D. A chick? The answer is D. A chick.
In the avian world, a chick isn't just a term for any young bird, it's also used affectionately in pop culture. From nursery rhymes to cartoons, chicks symbolize innocence and new beginnings. Interestingly, some species like the cuckoo lay their eggs in other birds' nests, leaving unsuspecting foster parents to raise their chicks.
Question 7. What is neurology the study of? Is it A. Nerves? B. The study and psychology of organisms with regard to their functions and structures? C. Mollusks? Or D. Embryos? The answer is A. Nerves.
Neurology, the study of nerves, delves into the intricate network that powers our thoughts, movements, and sensations. The human brain alone contains approximately 86 billion neurons. If you were to line up all the neurons in your body end to end, they would stretch around 600 miles.
Question 8. How many bits in a byte? Is it A. 8, B. 4, C. 2, or D. 10? The answer is A. 8.
The term byte was coined by Werner Buchholz in 1956 during the early design phases of the IBM Stretch computer. Originally, bytes could vary in size, but the standardization to 8 bits became popular because it efficiently represented a single character in ASCII, revolutionizing data processing and storage.
Question 9. What kind of animal is a kookaburra? Is it A. Fish, B. Reptile, C. Bird, or D. Mammal? The answer is C. Bird.
The kookaburra, a bird native to Australia, is famous for its distinctive laugh-like call that echoes through the bush. Known as the bushman's alarm clock, this sound often signals dawn and dusk. Despite their jovial calls, kookaburras are skilled hunters, preying on small mammals and reptiles with precision.
Thanks for orbiting around our science and nature quiz. We hope you had a blast and that your curiosity continues to evolve. Until next time, stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.